In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for personal productivity. Now, if you're looking to streamline your tasks and organize your day-to-day activities efficiently, you're in the right place. Asana is a versatile tool that lets you manage not only your work projects, but also your personal tasks, ensuring you stay on top of everything in your busy life. Let's dive in and get started. The first thing you want to do is set up your personal workspace. If you haven't already, sign up for an Asana account. This will be your central hub where all your tasks and projects will come together. With your account ready, it's time to create a personal project. You might want to label it something like My Productivity Hub or Daily Tasks. This project will act as your virtual to-do list tailored specifically to your needs and preferences. Asana gives you the option to view your project in different formats. You can choose between list, board, or calendar views. If you like a detailed list of tasks, go with the list view. If you're more visually oriented, the board view is similar to a Kanban board, offering a drag-and-drop interface. Or, if you prefer seeing your tasks laid out over time, the calendar view might suit you best. Pick the one that resonates with your workflow style. After setting up your project, it's time to organize your tasks efficiently. Start by categorizing them. Think along the lines of work, personal, or learning. This will help you separate different areas of your life, making it easier to focus on what you need to do in each category. Within each category, use sections to divide your tasks further. Common sections include To Do, In Progress, and Done. This will give you a clear overview of where each task stands in the pipeline of getting things done. Next, add due dates and priorities to your tasks. Due dates ensure that you never miss a deadline, and setting priorities will help you address the most urgent tasks first. This simple step can significantly boost your efficiency as you balance multiple responsibilities. Now let's delve into some of Asana's features that can boost your productivity even further. Take advantage of the Recurring Tasks feature. This is particularly useful for activities that you do regularly, like a daily review or weekly planning. Automating these tasks saves you time and mental energy. Don't forget to utilize tags to classify tasks further. Tags like urgent or follow-up add another layer of organization, allowing you to see at a glance what's pressing. Additionally, you can use subtasks to break large tasks into smaller, more manageable ones. This helps avoid overwhelm and makes daunting tasks feel more achievable. By setting up your workspace, organizing tasks, and leveraging Asana's dynamic features, you're well on your way to enhancing your personal productivity. As you grow more familiar with these tools, you'll find it increasingly easier to stay organized and focused on what truly matters. Thanks for joining me today, and happy tasking with Asana.